They said go out and pursue that higher education, go get your degree, go follow that same narrative that everybody else does. But not everybody wants that. Some people desire to work with their hands and do something amazing every single day. Something that challenges you and leaves you with fulfillment when you complete these complex tasks day in and day out. Keeps you happy and eager to get to work the next morning. The art of paintless dent repair is not just paintless dent repair anymore. We are actually taking collision damage and bringing it back to its factory condition without affecting the original paint finish on these cars. And that alone is huge. It's revolutionizing the auto body industry, and it's allowing us to stand out as the number one solution when it comes to fixing someone's car from an auto body perspective. The original factory paint finish on a car is the best, and the idea of taking this door and throwing it into the scrap pile and putting a new one on is a thing of the past now, especially when it comes to downtime and preserving the overall value of the vehicle. This is a much better process when it's done at a really high level, and that's exactly what we're demonstrating here. Now, don't get it twisted. This is definitely a process that takes a lot of patience and practice, time, effort, skill, whatnot. And we are not always going to be the cheapest solution. However, we are going to be the best solution. And we're not just a substitute for an insurance claim anymore. So whether you're a body man or painter and tired of breathing the harmful chemicals, or an existing paintless dent repair technician looking to get to the next level, as long as you're willing to put in the time, effort, and commitment into learning this extremely valuable process, you'll be in demand for the rest of your career. I look forward to helping you.